Alright, once you get done riding that weird bird, you're gonna wanna head to the Zora's region.
Howard. Let's take you, Howard. That would one be.
So just jump down and start heading east.
There it was an take what he. Hunter. Think. Me come from Italy.
So just keep on heading straight. Now you can kill the bats if you want. Then go up this little mound and it'll trigger Midna to help you jump up here.
Keep us
And just keep working your way up. And then once you get to the top, just head through the walkway to the north. And there's gonna be some shadowed guys. So you're gonna want to get the one who's alone first. And then you want who are hanging out together.
If we take any that break to keep you in time. Do you ready? Come maybe. There, where's you be? Where's you want what will it be? And we got my wrong the one happy. Gon the arm, what you need here. Gon if you go with you time. You take it what should.
Alright. After you watch a little cutscene, it's gonna ask you to warp, and you want to go to Death Mountain. And just walk up to that big meteor that came down earlier. And it will trigger Midna to talk to you. And then just warp it back to the Zora's domain.
as and tell the this access you in my me. But it wouldn't there am. There that way. And here there, what do you search for in this action? To fight again.
Alright, after you talk to that chick, you're just gonna want to head back to Lake Hylia and talk to the Spirit of Light who chills there.
What you want my me? You my wrong want me. It's a spear. Meteor bust time. Meteor can bust the red here. And break me time.